Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of Justin's Junkyard. This season I'm going to be working on a 2016 World Catamaran boat, and I picked it up off of Copart last week. So I began to take a few things off of it and start to get the cleanup process. But let's head over to the boat and see what kind of damage we got. It was a salvage boat from Hurricane Florence. This is it. We got this last week off of Copart. This boat was actually flipped upside down. We've got some damage there. We've got water lines from when it was flipped upside down in the hurricane. Multiple fiberglass issues, some stress cracking, new rub rail we're gonna need. We've got a lot of damage here from where it was up against the dock or something. Of course, the rubber rail is all dinged up. Lots of scrapes and scratches here. It has two Yamaha 115 horse 4-strokes on it. They were submerged underwater as well. So I've actually have these listed on eBay to sell for salvage. I'll put a link in the description below. One of them is already sold, so the right one is sold. The left one here is the counter rotating one. That one's still available. It's good mainly be for parts. As you can see, we lost a ladder, we've lost the T-top, and we'll take a look up there here in a minute. We've got a hole in the back that we're going to be repairing, and then some other rub rail issues here. And as we come around, this side's fairly decent. Not a whole lot of work that's going to be needed over here. Maybe some a chip there, so it's fairly decent. This boat did not come with a trailer, so I had to get this trailer. I actually bought it down in Florida and drove it up to North Carolina. World Cat or catamaran trailers in general are very hard to find. So this is the project that we're going to be working on this summer. I've been enjoying YouTube videos, watching people rebuild for a while, and I've done a lot of projects myself. So I'm looking forward to this and sharing it with everybody here. In the cockpit, so you can see we've got a lot of damage on the console. Everything was underwater on the console, so I took all the electronics out. I'm going to be re-rigging this with Suzuki motors and 115 4-strokes down in Florida. So as you can see, inside of the boat's fairly decent. Not a whole lot of issues. There's some damage here on the center console from where the T-top was. Other than that, all the hatches, we're gonna get all new upholstery. Let me open the hatch for you here. Hatches are in decent shape. All the hydraulics and stuff are working. So some cleanup's gonna need to be done, but other than that, inside is fairly good. As you can see, I'll show you here, that is the old T-top in the back of the truck. That was a mangled mess. So there's no saving that. That's going to the scrapyard this week. We'll be taking off the taco outriggers. We've got some Grand Slams that came with it, so we'll be taking those off, and gonna be getting a new T-top. All right, so that is a walk around of the boat. Let's head back out inside now because it's raining a little bit here in North Carolina, and we're gonna go. I'll put a link in the description of different things that we're going to be using, as well as we'll put the listing that I got off of Copart on the screen now. So here's the Copart listing for the boat. It's a 2016 WorldCat 230 cc center console that I picked up off of Copart. First time ever getting anything off of Copart, so the experience was unique, but it's the lot I picked it from up here in North Carolina was massive, so definitely big. The process was pretty simple. You show up at the lot. You need your member ID number. I brought the item number, which was not what they wanted, but they were able to figure it out. So show your ID, and then you go outside and wait until it's your turn to get in line. And in this instance, it was a boat, so it was a heavy duty. So they actually brought me to the boat itself. And it, like I said, it did not have a trailer, so I had to load this boat on the trailer myself, which was not fun. It took about 2 hours to do it, inching it back and forth with the jack stands that it was on. But we got it on there and started home, made it all the way home. And like I said, first thing I did was cleaned the boat out. It was full of mud and dirt and everything from being outside, so we cleaned it, and then started assessing the damage and what we needed to do. So I started getting online and buying some materials. So we've got some 1708 coming, we've got 1.5 ounce chop strand mat coming, we've got West Systems Fiberglass epoxy resin. We've also got some polyester resin from Total Boat coming. And none of these products are sponsored by any way. I've paid for all of them. Just wanted to put that out there. But we've got some different electronics coming. Look at putting back a Garmin 12-inch screen that was in there. That was underwater and flooded. So we're going to use that hole and fill that up. We're going to be rewiring the boat with all the electronics and the bilge pumps and the lights. We're going to do all that because I'm not sure about the wiring and how the corrosion will be on that. So we're going to go ahead and inspect all that, redo all the wiring, redo the fiberglass hull, and gel coat the inside, paint the outside is the plan right now. We'll see how everything goes. And so that's it for the first episode. If you are interested in watching the progression of this project that we have, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button down below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And look forward to working with you during this journey. So enjoy the channel. And like I said, if you have any questions, we're going to be opening up some polls for color choices. I'm going to let you guys decide, what you want to see for this boat and the progress through it. So subscribe to the channel, thumbs up if you like it, if you like the intro, and let me know. See you guys next time.